Hello, I'm Kippy Spurgill, and I'm excited to tell you today about a new disinfectant that has been specially formulated for the professional beauty industry called Prevention. And today, I'd like to show you our new starter pack, specially created for salons and spas. What you get is a 32-ounce ready-to-use disinfectant liquid that you can spray, and we include in the kit a sprayer that you're going to reuse and a second bottle of the liquid, a canister of 160 wipes, and this is an industry changer. We are the first people to launch a refill for the wipes in the beauty industry. So when your canister is empty, you pop the lid off, you put the new refill in, and put the lid back on. By using the refill wipes, Beauty Professional is not only going to save money, about 20% over the cost of a new canister, but also help save the planet by reducing the amount of recycling that they are doing. And also in our new starter pack, we're putting some marketing aids for the salon to use to show their customers they're serious about disinfection and they care. And we also include a link to our free online certification course where the beauty pro can learn more about how to use Prevention and get their certificate that they can display proudly in their salon. We hope that you will join the movement to prevention and bring your beauty pros a faster, safer, easier way to disinfect their spas and salons.